Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata. Let's say you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find guys where your radiator fan resistor is located, how to remove it, how to replace it. Stay with us, we'll cover all that today and we will explain what you need to do, otherwise you can severely damage the electronics of your car or you can actually even hurt yourself. So make sure to stay until the end, we'll cover all that today. In addition, we will explain which computer we use for diagnostics because many of you constantly ask us that in the comment section below guys. So let's start on it now. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be demonstrating on now. Under that, the only thing that we have removed air filter box, but practically guys ignore that part. Now here you will have two bolts that you need to remove. One of them we got it loose, not to waste your time. Now removing just the second one, and that's your air duct guys. Why we need to do that? Simple. Okay, you will just grab it and pull it up. You need to find where the radiator fan wiring harness is, the one that goes to the motor, and looking at it right here, this is it. Now being close to the radiator fan, we'll recommend guys, to always disconnect the car battery so it doesn't turn on and catch your fingers. Number two, always guys disconnect the car battery when replacing or disconnecting electronic components. And on these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, because if you do it the wrong way you can cause damage to the engine, computer, electronics, modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix guys. If you want to see which battery terminal to disconnect first, we have a special video that explains that and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now that radiator fan resistor guys, it is right here. You have two cables that we need to disconnect, one going to the electric fan motor and one coming from the car battery guys. Right here, big wires you can see. Now this is the resistor, but before we continue let me explain which computer we use for diagnostic because many of you constantly ask us that guys. This is it, Maxicom. We'll put the link in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get one from. It's amazing, it works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai is right here. You can access every computer in your car, read the lead codes and see live data, which makes it super powerful guys. Now Phillips screwdriver, or in some cases it could be 7mm socket you can use, and we're going to go ahead and start getting that radiator fan resistor out. So one screw in most cases will be the one holding it on a Hyundai Sonata. Go ahead, do that. Now you need to come up a little bit on this side, then slide up and come out, and this is your resistor. That's what controls the speed of the fan. That's what activates it, because it detects that the radiator is hot, so it manually turns it on. You can see it's not very complicated guys. If your car is still overheating, your Hyundai Sonata, we have a video that explains the top 10 reasons why a Hyundai Sonata overheats, so please check it out. All that will be shared on our channel as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.